to this tutorial. I'm Maurice Dimba, and today I want just to share with you on how we can automate the door opening in Lumion. As you see here, the door I have automated here. It will open in like in real life, like you see it in here. So there are two things here you have to do in Lumion to automate this. You have to import the whole building separately in a file that will be acceptable in a file format that will be acceptable in Lumion, and you have to import the door separately in a file format that will be accepted by Lumion separately. So you merge these two together and give them the door instruction on what to be done, on how to move and at what angle and time given and like that. So let's get started, and let's get started right away. Now in here you can see we have a building already in place. This one was I've done in SketchUp, and you can see I've removed the door, because the reason why I've removed the door out is because if I convert this to a file that will be accepted by Lumion, it will seem as grouped object, as a whole grouped object in Lumion. So I will not be able to give instruction to this particular door. So I have to remove it or have to delete it, then save it separate so that I'll be able to convert that into a format that will be accepted by Lumion. So once I convert this door like I did here, let me just make it simpler here. Like I've deleted that door and I have it here. You can see I've saved it separately, like main door. So once I convert this to a file that will be accepted by Lumion, I'll be able to merge them together into Lumion environment and animate the door to an angle of opening of my choice. So that's how you give instruction to this particular automation or animation of a door. So you can see the file format I'm talking about is mostly Lumion accepts SketchUp files, but sometimes it fails. So what you do, the file format that I'm very convinced that will be accepted by Lumion most of the times is you come to file here as in SketchUp and come to export. Then when you come to 3D model here, you click on 3D model here, and you see by default you have Collada file, so or DAE file. So this is I'm pretty sure this will be accepted by Lumion. So you convert these two you convert this file you convert the door into this format. So once that has been done, then you import it into Lumion. You do the same thing to this building you're seeing on the screen here. Let me just show you that. You convert this to DAE file or a Collada file. So I had done that previously, and if I come here, let me just show you the file here. If I come here, I'll be able to show you that the main door, I have the main door here in Collada file. You can see the main door in Collada file. So if I import this, I can mouse that and you can see the file format. The file format is Collada file. You can see like this from SketchUp. So this will be accepted by Lumion. This is not the Collada file, the Collada file format. This one is the DAE. So this will be accepted. You see, I've converted several of them so that I'll be able to animate everything. So this is just a part one of this particular video, and we'll move to part two, where I'll be able to show you how we can animate that. So let's get back where we were. Let me just get back where we were. We were somewhere here. So this is how it looks. So once you've converted this and import to Lumion and import the door, you will be able to merge this together and give instruction to the door, and it will be automated depending on the time you want this to rotate. And you give it the appropriate time that you want it to open and the angle you prefer. So let's meet then on the next presentation, part 2, on how we can work with these two files in Lumion. Thanks, and let's meet then, and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Maurice Dimba.